Hi, my name is Aaron, and I've got a 24 kilowatt Generac generator here. We are now offering these as a home standby solution for keeping power up at your home. I know Excel has been shutting off power a lot lately, especially with all the winds. It has been a concern for people. So we just wanted to make sure that people know what options that they have available. This is a 24 kilowatt Generac generator. These things are pretty bulletproof. This one's an air-cooled generator, so it can run for 24 hours at a time without any input by you. After it's run for 24 hours, the only thing that you have to do is come in and check the oil on this guy, and you can check it with the dipstick right here. If you need to top it off, you can just add a little bit of oil to the motor right here. And that's all it takes to get this thing running for months on end. As long as you have gas available, this thing can generate power and you don't have to go through an outage or try to suffer like a caveman.
And hey, Aaron, you were saying that generally, what size of home will this work for?
So this 24 kilowatt is a pretty good big workhorse. It's a standard one that we would use. And I'd say this would go in a home anywhere from 1,200 to 3,000, 3,500 square feet. This would handle just well.
And like you were saying, we see a lot of outages, the utility companies turning off power because of windstorms. Who would this be a good option for? Who's calling you right now to get a consult on one of these or getting these installed?
So, I mean, it used to just be people in the mountains, but now with all of the fines that the government is putting on power companies, they're a lot quicker to shut power off. So we're seeing it across the entire metro area. It's no longer just a mountain front range thing. It's across the entire metro area. We've installed them everywhere from Hudson up to Evergreen. So, I mean, we go almost to Nebraska, I think is where Hudson is. But
oh, wow. Final question. If somebody wants to get a consult, what's involved in that? So you guys come out, there's no charge, but what's going to happen when there's a consultation with a member of your electric team?
Yeah, so right now, like you mentioned, we are doing complimentary generator evaluations to see if your home would be a good fit for it. Somebody's going to go out there, we'll look at the size of your home, we'll look at what you got going on inside your home. Some houses use more energy than other ones, so we want to make sure that whatever solution we present is going to fit your needs. We've got a couple of different options. This is an automatic standby generator, so you don't have to do anything. Within 30 seconds of losing power, this thing will fire up and it'll transfer power back to you automatically. We also do have some standby generator options that are more manual, where you have to drag a generator out of your garage, fire the thing up, plug it in, and then you can control what circuits you want on or off. And that's what the tech would be going out there, is just to evaluate your needs, see what are critical pieces of equipment that have to have power, and just give you options and see where we can go with that and see what best we can do to get power back in a situation when you need it.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Aaron.
Of course.